We're going to look at how to improve viewport renders from this to this in Blender. It's a quick tutorial. So I have a model and I've set up my camera, you can see, and I have a turntable animation. I've just rotated the object. So you will have to hide your gizmo and your overlay so that there's no interference on the screen. Then we are in the viewport shading mode, not the other one. And then we go and turn on the cavity, and you can see that it gives this nice highlights. By default it is world, and then you can, or screen, and then you can use both. You can turn on outline and select the color for the outline. You can turn on the depth of field. If you select the camera, I have depth of field selected. There's only one object, and I have reduced the f-stop and increased the blades to get this effect. You can use various color options. So if you have texture, you can see a texture. You can use random, but we only have one object, so it will only show one. So for example, if you turn the overlay and duplicate the truck and move it back, you will get a random color. Okay, or you can use a single color and decide what color you want, or to random, or you can have your actual textures. So if you assign a texture, go and use an image texture, and we'll use wood texture. You can see that you'll get the wood texture. Okay, you can also select what kind of lighting you want for your scene. You can also go to matcap and get more material options. And once you're happy, you can go and set up your render output. Save it as the file and go to view, render animation. And you can enhance your viewport renders. Thank you.